Today we have the 2019 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 39,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel tank. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access radio and media. This includes our Apple and Android CarPlay. On the right we have map, navigation, our button settings and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC.